back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a while. Don't even start. Bad decisions led to an absence, but I'm back. That's the good thing. That's the best thing in the world. Today we're going to be working on Bronco Bill once again. The good old Bronco. We're going to take these rock sliders off and put on some Westin Outlaw series step bars. Change it up a little bit. Ring camera. We'll get into it. I'm not really doing a tutorial type thing. I'll kind of walk you through it. We're just trying to get this done quick. It is, for us, week of Christmas. You'll get this right before New Year's, so happy New Year's to everyone. Sorry I've been gone, missed you, love you still. Let's get in this pretty quick, get it knocked out. It is cold, very cold. All right, there's the driver's side step bar out of the box, unwrapped. Now we're going to get a hold of this rock slider, which I've still yet to look at. See what we need to do to get it off, because I cannot remember to save my life. Well, there's a bolt there, one there, one back there. Okay, so this is the new one's going to bolt right up in the same location as the old one, as these rock sliders. So that works out pretty good. Makes life a lot easier as I blind myself as I'm laying here. So we'll work on getting these other bolts out real quick, dropping this one, get the brackets, get the new one up. This completely out of here. You got bolts coming in on the side as well, going into the pinch weld. They've got to come out, so we'll get those out too. Alright, well, I thought I had you in camera view. So, here goes those factory rock sliders. Ooh, only thing I did not think about was the little mud flap. Well, shucks. They looked kind of dumb anyway. So, factory rock slider is out of here. and we have a ton of rocks in it. So, get the last bracket out of the way. With all that being out, now I can focus in on getting the brackets, getting them mounted up in there, set, not all the way in, because we're going to want to dry fit it. Of course, we want to make sure the rail is set where we want it, or the actual step bar is set in the angle that we want it, nice flush and level, and then we can bolt everything up. So let me find pieces, get everything together, we'll get rocking on this. Time to change up Bronco Bill. Alright guys, here we go. So we're gonna mount this bracket first. This bracket is pretty specific. It's gonna be the one with the longer hole, and then the hole where you can kind of adjust it, and it goes in these two holes here where the rock sliders, if you have the rock sliders where they came out of, we're gonna want to run these up finger tight, and that's all we're going to do with it for now until we get this completely set exactly where we want it. Get the bars on to get them situated. So alright, so I'm thinking this is going to be needed to be adjusted all the way out this way. We'll leave it like that for now. It's in there pretty tight, that way we get the bar set. Of course your bar will bolt here. Just in case for reference, your body mount is right here. So now we're going to scooch down. Grab it right here to the next mounting spot. I'm trying to get y'all in camera as good as I can. One bolt is here, the other one's up over here. These brackets are different as well. Now the middle and the rear are going to be identical. So you're going to have one that hangs up top, one that's solid here. And of course, your bolts are going to have a lock washer and then a flat washer. So, alright, that one's in as well. Now for the rear, which the rear is probably going to be a little tricky, I don't know yet, but the rear is the same as the middle. Let's see if I can get you on the view here. Rear's alright, so I got this one hung. Once again, it's about finger tight. I mean, these things are not all the way in, which is really weird. But it'll be all good because we're about to mount the bar, get the actual step bar up, get the bolts through here, get it positioned right, and then tighten everything up, and then we'll be done. And then we'll just have the passenger side. It's going to be one of those wash, rinse, repeat type deals. Wash, rinse, dry, repeat. let me get this bar set and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so now I'm gonna try to hang this by myself. Hopefully I don't kill myself trying to do it. They're not that heavy, but this may be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get one-handed, or with one person, excuse me, not one-handed. I do have two hands, which is nice. Let's get my light in here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so not as bad as I thought it was going to be, guys. I'm just getting the pivoting and stuff right. Now to get the final torque, obviously we're going to want somebody with us. But let me see if I can get y'all in here to actually see this here. I don't think I'm going to be able to. So here's the bracket. Oh crap. I'll do it this way. Here's the bracket here. You just kind of got to swivel it around and get the bolts in. I'm gonna get all these hung and then we'll go from there. Alright, so far, that's what we got. Of course, your elongated side here is gonna be toward the front. Now we just need to get it sitting about right there and tighten up these bolts on the back side, which are gonna be these right here. I'll cut that out. Anyway, 13, all right, so 15 for the mountain bracket bolts. You're gonna need a 13mm wrench and a 15mm socket for the other side, or vice versa. I'm about to set this thing level with the body the best I can and tighten these up real quick. That way there's no more adjustments needing to be made and we'll be done. Be right back. Okay, I'm going the cheating way just a little bit here. Get these brackets tightened up. That's good right there. Word to the wise, get a 15 deep. I want to give a big shout out to Cumberland Customs here in Cookeville. Thank you, Casey, for hooking me up on these. Definitely be back. Guys, if you need some Bronco, Jeep parts, Ram, F-150, whatever you got, go see the boys at Cumberland Customs here in Cookeville, Tennessee. They'll take care of you. That being said, we love you. We thank you. Once again, I'm sorry for being gone. I'll explain. Remember, dream big. See you guys.